proper air conditioning maintenance significantly lowers indoor allergens and improves breathing comfort. Regularly replacing or cleaning air filters is the highest impact step you can take because filters trap dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores before they enter living spaces. Use pleated filters with a minimum efficiency reporting value of at least 8 for typical homes and change them every 1 to 3 months depending on occupancy and pets. Keep evaporator and condenser coils free of dust and organic buildup, since dirty coils reduce cooling efficiency, encourage moisture retention, and promote microbial growth. Gently brush accessible coils and schedule a professional coil clean once a year for deep deposits. Clear condensate drain lines to prevent standing water that fosters mold and bacteria. Flush drains with a cup of white vinegar or a diluted bleach solution monthly, and check that the pan and tubing are sloped and unobstructed. Maintain duct cleanliness and integrity because leaks and accumulated dust in ducts redistribute contaminants. Seal visible duct joints with mastic, replace sections that are collapsed or heavily infested with debris, and consider a targeted duct cleaning if you see visible mold or heavy particulate when registers are removed. Control humidity to the mid to high 40% relative humidity range to discourage dust mites and mold without causing overdrying. Use dehumidifiers in humid climates and ensure the system's condensate removal and airflow are optimized. Finally, follow an annual professional tune-up where a technician inspects refrigerant charge, blower motor, and airflow, checks for microbial hotspots, and measures indoor humidity so corrective actions can be taken before air quality declines. Common mistakes include waiting too long to replace filters, which allows particles to bypass filtration and coat coils and ducts. Fix that by scheduling filter changes on your calendar and keeping a 2 to 3 month supply on hand. Another frequent issue is ignoring small leaks or unreachable ductwork where contaminants accumulate and then circulate. Address this by sealing accessible ducts and hiring a reliable technician to evaluate and repair hard-to-reach sections. Homeowners also often overlook condensate maintenance, which leads to mold in the drain pan and lines. Prevent that by flushing drains monthly and inspecting the pan for standing water or slime and resolving poor drainage immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and profiles that match needs to skills. We host an active discussion community where we share practical maintenance tips, contractor experiences, and project recommendations for improving home air quality and comfort.